I can't even attempt to bite the dumpling because it's hot. So I just try to cook the brown stew chicken the exact way my mother used to cook it. But I end up detour in the last. I just try my very best. Because my mother was a good cook, you know. My mother could have cooked good. When my mother cook, she don't have to try. Sometimes I see my mother just dash in any and anything and food always come out good. Yeah, my mother they have a touch of cooking. But people like the chicken skin. The skin is so good, the bone is so good. Check this. You couldn't eat chicken without bone or chicken without skin. Now I read caramel dumpling, put extra caramel in this. Just to feel the vibe for that too. Let's see if it's something different. If I caramel dumpling, strong. The milk of this is something I always used to do. Crush the banana in the gravy.